What would you do with an extra $400 or $500 a month? Man, what if you had 2 or 3 income streams that were giving you that $400 or $500 a month so that it was actually 2 or 3 times that amount of money? See, it doesn't take a lot of money to make a big difference in your financial goals and your financial dreams. And one of the big things that I highly recommend is that you first learn to live within your means and then grow your means. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about ways to make more money. These are ways that I'm using to make more money, and they're ways that you can actually choose to use to make more money as well if you decide to do that. So I'm going to share with you what I'm doing I'm going to actually share with you 3 things that I'm doing to make more money this next year. And one of them I've already started doing for several months, and I've averaged about $400 a month. And that's pretty darn cool, seeing that I just started 3 or 4 months ago. So without further ado, let's get into it. My name is Paris Clough, and this is Financial Self-Reliance. I absolutely love helping people manage, protect, and grow their money. See, what I'm going to do for the first part of this video is I'm going to share with you some things and reasons why you want to start actually earning some additional income. I think the biggest reason is that you need more money. You're not making enough in order to be able to achieve your financial goals and dreams, especially if you want to retire early or at least on time. With inflation, with the way the world is going, with the way the dollar is kind of doing what it's doing, is collapsing or on its way there, you're going to need to make more money. And there's going to be a lot of ways to do that. And there's so many ways to do that. In fact, which way should you choose? And so I'm going to give you a couple of things that I use to pick and choose the things that I get involved with. And hopefully that will help you pick and choose the things that you will get involved with. One of the main things that I look at is it something that is already in my area of expertise? Is it something that I'm passionate about? For example, if I have a financial product or service that is presented to me, an opportunity, I really take those under consideration because it's already something I'm doing. Is it something I could continue to refer my current clients to? Is it something that I could make a video about? Is it something that I could do to really build my brand? And as a financial coach, is it something that would really help my clients? And so if the answer to those things are yes, then I'll bring it in and I'll add it, and it could be another source of income for me. Another thing that I might say is, if you don't have an expertise like that and you want to start looking at different things that you would have that you want to make more money doing, then I would look at some of the things that you're passionate about. What are your hobbies, or what are your things that you're doing right now? What do you have an expertise in? What do your friends come to you for advice about, or what do your friends know you for in terms of like an expertise in a certain area? If you have something like that, you might be able to start some kind of social media channel around that and start to gain some followers and gain some traction, and then you can do things like product sponsors and other things to make more money. There's a lot of ways to make more money. The biggest problem in today's world is execution, and really designing our lives and disciplining our lives to the point where we can actually execute on those ideas. There's so many opportunities out there for us to take advantage of. It's just, are we going to be organized enough to take advantage of those opportunities and execute properly so that they actually provide an income for us that gives us a better lifestyle, not a lifestyle of more stress. So I hope that helped you kind of get an idea of what do I do? What are some of the criteria that I look for to see about an opportunity that comes my way? Is it something that it already fits into my wheelhouse? Is it something that I'm passionate about already? And if so, then I'll take a look at it, and then I'll see if it's lucrative. If it's going to be something that I could really see myself adding to my current lifestyle, and it's lucrative enough, and it's something that I could really see myself doing, then I usually say yes and add it. So I'm going to tell you about 3 things that I've added to my list of opportunities to make more income this year, and I'm going to share those with you right now. So the first one I want to share with you is one I just got involved with, and this actually was introduced to me by an old friend of mine that I've known for many, many, many years. He's highly successful, multiple 6 figures a year earner, and he shared with me this company that he's starting, and that how it has a fantastic affiliate program where people can promote what they're doing and then just make money by sharing their links. And I thought, what a great way to make money, because that's something that's really big right now in affiliate marketing. And so this particular product, I looked at the different products that they have, the different links that they have, what they're sharing, the affiliates that they're creating, and the ones that they're thinking about adding in the future. And I thought, this fits perfectly with what I'm already doing. And so if you have a passion to help people with different parts of their financial life, or maybe even a passion to help businesses make more money, earn more money, have resources to be able to do their money, and you want to be able to market those things, and then just send a link and then have the professionals, so to speak, follow up and make sure that they actually get enrolled and get started and get moving on those products and services. So this is a great program for you to be a part of, and I highly recommend it. I'll put a link in the description below. The second one that I want to share with you is one that actually fits right in my wheelhouse as a financial coach. But I want to ask you a question. What would you do if you could have a software that you would absolutely track everything that you did with your money, help you to find exactly what you need to do to get out of debt, help you find exactly what you need to do to reach financial independence, and then help you track it every step of the way, and then month after month you can stay on course and keep accountable and stay accountable to it. And then once you saw how powerful this was to helping you get out of debt and you reach your financial goals, what if you could make money sharing this with your friends? How many friends and family members do you have that need to have better financial habits, that need to know how to get out of debt more quickly, that need to know how to reach and attain financial independence, like really understand how to reach and attain financial independence, and then be able to partner with professionals that will offer the products and services that you need, and then be able to have a compensation for that? What if you could do that? This is already in my wheelhouse. This was definitely something that when I saw this, I was like, I'm definitely adding that to my particular platform, my portfolio. So this is a great opportunity as a financial coach already. I was already doing many of the things that this software allows for. It competes with many of the softwares that are already out there, but like you need a budget, Mint, personal capital, etc. Except the difference with this one is, number one, you can make extra money by sharing it with your friends. And number two, it actually projects your exact date when you'll be out of debt and your exact date when you'll be financially independent. And then you can run what if scenarios to see if you can get there faster. That to me was a win-win situation. Anytime you have a win-win situation, then I say go for it. Now, before I share with you the last one that I've been doing already for several months and have averaged about $400 a month, and that's growing, is I would like to know, what are you doing to make extra money? Put in the comments below some of the things that you're doing to create extra money and extra income for your family so that you can, and then what are you doing with that extra money? Are you getting out of debt more quickly? Are you saving it and building up your emergency fund and your emergency savings? Or are you investing it? And are you reinvesting it back into that business to make and grow that business even further? I'd love to hear what things you're doing to make more money and how you're moving forward towards reaching your financial goals and dreams. All right, this last one is one that clearly I'm passionate about, and that's one of the things that I shared with you earlier. Is it something that you're passionate about? You've got to find an opportunity that you can really see yourself getting behind and doing. And I am a patriot. I'm somebody who loves my country. I live in the United States. I love my country, and I love the patriotism. I'm a Christian man. I'm a conservative man. I have a lot of those values and those morals and those ethics in my life, and I want to promote those things in the world. I give people the agency to live the way they want to live, as long as they let me live the way I want to live. And this particular opportunity is allowing me to help people take dollars that they're already spending with big box companies, with woke companies that don't really seem to care about those Christian values lately. And so this particular company it's American owned. It's American distribution, it's American manufacturing, it's 100% debt-free, and it's got a great 400 products. These are household items that you're already spending money on in these big box companies. And so what I've done is I've been able to meet with people who have the same ideas that I do, and they want to switch and they want to spend their money in stores and products that are American made, American manufacturing, supporting American jobs, and bring back the American focus of keeping it in the family, so to speak. So this is a great opportunity for those that are interested in that. There's again a link in the description below, and it's basically called Patriot Switch, where we're helping patriots switch their spending from the big box woke companies that are promoting an agenda that's contrary to the values and ethics and morals that we have, and really supporting conservative American values. And so this is a great opportunity for me. I saw this opportunity and I was like, I want to do that. I want to get people into a parallel economy. If things start coming down the pipeline with, ESG requirements and DEI requirements, some of these companies that are publicly traded, that are owned and have significant shareholdership by BlackRock and Vanguard and State Street, I want to be able to say, look, I'm already in a parallel economy with somebody that's American made, American owned. They're not owned by anybody else, privately held, privately owned, no debt. They're not beholden to anybody. It's just a very powerful distribution system with hundreds of products that I already buy. And so I just switched my dollars. I just switched my dollars over. And now as I promote that to my friends and family, I can earn affiliate links and affiliate fees for that. And it actually has been pretty lucrative for my family the last few months. $400 or $500 a month isn't a ton of money, but every dollar counts, and actually it all adds up to a significant income potentially. So I hope this video helps you understand some of the things and reasons why you ought to, number one, get a side hustle. Two, how you can choose the proper side hustle for you. And if you're interested in getting involved with any of the side hustles that I'm involved with, just click the links in the description below, and or hit me up at hello@financialselfreliance, and I'll make sure to get you the information so that we can make more money, become financially independent, and use that money to promote the things that we believe in. If you missed the last video I produced, you can find it here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel up here, and check out this video up here that YouTube thinks you might like. Till the next video, have a fantastic day.